Are you curious about turning off background app refresh on your Android phone? You have come to the right place. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to disable background app refresh on your Android. So let's jump right in. To turn off background app refresh, open Settings on your Android phone, tap on About Phone, tap 7 times on the build number to enable Developer option. Now go back, scroll down, tap Additional Settings, tap Developer option, scroll down, and find out the background process limit. Tap on it. Select No Background Process if you want to apply this for all apps. Here's the methods to disable background app refresh on your Android phone. I hope you found this video informative. Please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.